Since our founding in 1911, Viking Pump has built over 7 million pumps and supplied them to customers all over the world. These pumps handle the broadest range of liquids in the industry. We've prepared a listing of 50 Viking Pump applications, tying each to a state where this application can commonly be found. This does not mean these applications are exclusive to that state, nor does it mean that this is the only Viking Pump application to be found in that state. It's just a fun way to outline 50 of Viking Pump's most common and successful applications. Today, let's explore Viking Pump applications in Delaware, Hawaii, Vermont, Tennessee, and Idaho. You're watching the Pump Report. Let's start in Delaware. The term chemicals is very generic, but as home to many of the US's largest chemical companies, it's difficult to pick any one specific application to highlight. In Delaware, you will find Viking pumps for polymers, resins, solvents, and dozens of other chemical classifications. Hawaii is a unique state for a lot of reasons, but as a chain of islands far removed from the rest of the US, air flight is key to travel to, from, and around the state. Viking pumps for refining and delivering jet fuel are critical everywhere, but especially to those living in Hawaii. In Vermont, Viking pumps are used in the gathering, processing, and packaging of maple syrup and pancake syrup. And yes, there is a difference. But for this example, we're talking about true maple syrup, gathered from the sap of maple trees and boiling off the water, leaving only the viscous syrup behind. In some places, this sap is gathered individually using taps and collection containers. But in others, a network of tubes is connected to taps in the trees to allow a pump to pull a vacuum to better extract the sap and expedite the gathering process. When asked to pick an American style of food, many of us think of barbecue. In Tennessee, Viking pumps are used in the production and bottling of barbecue sauces and other viscous shear-sensitive sauces and dressings. Commonly known as the potato state, Idaho is synonymous with all things potato. Without Idaho potatoes and Viking pumps for hot cooking oil, the world would be bereft of much of our French fries, potato chips, tater tots, hash browns, and breakfast potatoes. Of course, hot oil is used to cook so much more, including chicken, onions, donuts, and about anything anyone can dream up at a state fair. So what did you think of our list? Or did we leave off an application in your state that you'd still like us to highlight? Please let us know in the comments. To learn more about these applications, or to view other pump reports, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.